Chapter 51. In the morning, at the kitchen table, Bubby hands me a toasted bagel. "So, how's our superstar?" "Okay, I guess." I take a small bite, but it goes down hard because I'm worried about what might happen at school today. "Next thing you know," Bubby says, "you'll be on CNN or MSNBC or maybe even Oprah." I laugh. Bubby shoves a piece of bagel into her mouth. "Could happen." "Hey, Bub, look at this." I push my face into hers. She wipes bagel crumbs off my cheek. "No," I say, "look." I move closer. "Was?" she asks, squinting. I turn the light on over the table and point to the corners of my upper lip. "See?" Bubby gets her glasses. "What am I looking for, Boobala?" "My mustache." "Pfft!" Bubby waves her hand. "You call that a mustache?" She shoves her upper lip into my face. "Now that's a mustache." It's true. Bubby's mustache is way darker than mine. My shoulders droop. Even though I was interviewed by a reporter from the Philadelphia Inquirer yesterday, this is not good for my self-esteem.